Hello and welcome to SSC classes. Today we are going to solve some questions on quantitative aptitude. As we know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most high scoring portion also, as it requires only your computational and basic mathematical skills. Okay, so let's start with the problem. A certain scheme of investment in simple interest declares that it triples the investment in 8 years. If you want to quadruple your money through that scheme, you have to invest it for how many years? So let's start the solution of this question. Let the principal be x. Let the principal be x. Then the amount becomes 3x. The amount becomes 3x in 8 years. Okay. Therefore, simple interest is equals to amount minus principal, which is equals to 3x minus x, which results in 2x. Now, as we know that simple interest is PRT by 100, therefore we can write 2x is equals to x into r into 8 divided by 100, and r is equals to 2 into 100 divided by 8, and which is 25%. Now let quadruple, it takes t years. It takes t years. Okay, here the amount is 4x, principal amount is x, then SI is 4x minus x is equals to 3x. Now SI is equals to PRT divided by 100, hence we can say that 3x is equals to x into 25 into t divided by 100, therefore t is equals to 12 years. So the right answer is the option A. Okay, so we have solved this problem. Now let's check the next one. The speed of a stream is 3 km per hour and the speed of a man in still water is 5 km per hour. The time taken by the man to swim 26 km downstream is. So let's try to solve this problem. Okay. Now given by the question that speed of stream is 3 km per hour. Speed of stream is 3 km per hour and speed of man in still water is 5 km per hour. Now speed of a man in downstream will be is 3 plus 5, which is 8 km per hour. Okay, therefore speed of a man in downstream is 8 km per hour. We can think it in this way. Suppose this is speed of stream 3 km per hour, and this is the speed of a man in still water, which is 5 km per hour. Now therefore if the stream is running and the man is in the river or in any water bodies, then the speed of the man in downstream becomes the speed of the man itself with the speed of downstream. Therefore, we have to add these two speeds. Hence, we get 8 km per hour. Therefore, the time taken to travel 26 km downstream is time taken to travel 26 km downstream is 26 divided by 8, as 8 kilometers can be to go 8 kilometers it takes 1 hour. Then for 26 kilometers it takes 26 by 8 hour, and this reduces to 30 by 4, or we can write 3 and a 1/4 hour. So the right option is the option C. Okay, so we have solved the two of this problem, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quants, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us. These are the contact numbers: 9836793076 or 98748222756. And you also can check our website for further details. And the website is www.srssclasses.com. Thank you very much.